Hey Danielle, I'm going to demonstrate to you the touchscreen game that I was talking about. It's using this little microcontroller over here, and through the mess of wires, it eventually hooks up to this LCD screen, and the little touchscreen, you can see the connector right here for the touchscreen on top of the LCD on the bottom. So let's get started. First I'm going to press the reset button. And this is built by my partner and I. My partner is Gary, as you can see over there. Okay. Let's see. I wrote 3 games: Sudoku, Tile Flip, and Paint. So we'll try Sudoku first. That's probably the most fanciest. It's not actually loading, by the way. I just made this say loading so it's more realistic. There you can get a description of how to play it, and I assume you know how to play it, or you can look that up on your own, so I'll just jump right to it then. The screen's only big enough for a 4x4, so unfortunately we can only do that, not 9x9. I'll go with easy so we can finish this on time. Okay, so you can see here's a puzzle right here, and here's numbers that you can select. 0 means to clear it, and it's kind of hard to see with all the shading, but here's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom, and basically you just select it and try to fill it in. So as you can see, as I drag my cursor, it'll show up where I want it to, and then I just choose a number, and it goes into the little missing box of number, and I select that space. I think this one's a 3. And then the next one should be a 2, I believe. So fill that in. And then this last one's a 1, I believe. Okay, so now I think I'm done, and I'm going to go ahead and check it. Alright, it's off. So that's that. Oh, don't worry about the rest of the message. It was just me asking my professor if I could get the final wave in that class for writing something like this. Anyways, so that's that. It brings you back to the welcome screen, and then you can play some of the other games. I guess I'll show you a quick demo of the other games. Let's see. I also had Tile Flip and Paint. So I'll just show you Tile Flip really fast, but I won't finish it. Basically, Tile Flip is just, there's a bunch of tiles you have to flip over. You have to match 2 of them, and then it'll get cleared away. So kind of like this, where every time you touch the screen, it'll flip over a number. Like that was C right there, and that was X. And it's kind of hard to see, but that was an O. And let's see, that was an A. O. I've seen an O before, so there you go, matches that. And I don't remember the other ones, so I won't take forever to try to figure that out. Go ahead and hit exit over here, and it brings you back to the welcome screen again. Let's see, the next one that I haven't tried yet was Paint. So let's go ahead and I'll show you that really fast. This was actually a calibration program. As you can see, sometimes it messes up. It just missed the clicks, but it's okay. Most of the time it gets it right. Plus it's kind of hard for me to see behind the camera right here. Let's see. Okay. Alright, you can see it blinks every time I click it exactly dead on. So let's go to Paint. Basically what you do here is you can just draw whatever you want, and it'll show you where you touch the screen onto the LCD. It'll just display a bunch of dots. You can clear it, or you can exit. See that right there, unfortunately, was a little floating point error. We couldn't get around that. It just automatically senses around that area. I don't know why. We couldn't get past that, so we had to design the game such that none of the buttons would be in this little area right here. But it all worked out fine, so I'm just going to go clear it and go ahead and exit. Okay, that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy.